to show that with the chrome stamping image as a base, artists can create a thin layer of holographic chrome pigment using SheModern sheer silver halo, rub over top of a clear chrome base stamping image semi-gel to turn that solid image into a beautiful chrome shines effect. And here, this I'm using the blue as the base and black as the base. And when rubbing the sheer chrome silver over top, it's not opaque silver. It's allow the underneath color show through, but still the blue is gonna turn into a holographic sheer chrome pigment. And the black as a base here, it's gonna be a holographic base. This is the stamping image that I'm using. And with this one, the base is white polished base. Apply a thin layer of a matte chrome resist here under gel light to create a non-stick background, and stamp the two image, the two polish, blue and black, blue, black, stamping polish chrome here under gel light. Stamp this image here under gel light, and then rub chrome pigment, rub the sheer chrome pigments, and this is the result. So artists can allow the base color, create a nice holographic effect, and still allow the base color to show through. It's not a full opaque silver, it is a sheer hollow silver. So this part here that I'm only rub the chrome pigment on this side and leave this side exposed to let the artist see what the base color look like.